Alright, welcome to the second video where we're going to connect to the EC2 instance from our laptop. Now, the way you connect to an EC2 instance from your laptop depends on the operating system you're using. If you're using Linux, or if you're using Mac, or you're using Windows, the steps may differ. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect from Mac using SSH client. After this, in the next video, I'll show you how to connect from a Windows server or a Windows laptop using PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y. So let's connect from a Mac laptop to the server using SSH client. So remember, when I created this EC2 instance, my key got downloaded to my laptop. So I need to find the key. And like I told you, the key should be in my download folder. So I'm going to go to my shell. I already have a folder here where I have all my keys, but the one I just created should be in my download by default. So I'm going to copy from my download folder into here. So again, if you're familiar with Mac, that is how you will copy a key. So once you copy the key to where you want to use it from, you need to change the permission of the key. So I'm going to do chmod 600 key 1, which was a key, right? All right, so that is it. Now I need to use this command called ssh-i, and I need to give it the key that I'm going to use. And the key I'm going to use is the one I just changed. So that is the key I'm going to use. And I'm going to put the name of the user is EC2-user at. And I'm going to come here to the EC2 instance and copy this public IP address. Okay, copy from the dashboard. And then I will come here to my shell and paste the IP here. Take note, I'm using EC2-user as the name of the user to connect to. The reason for that is because that is the default username on Amazon Linux. Look at it there, EC2-user. The reason again is because I'm using this AMI called Amazon Linux. If I use Ubuntu, then the name will be different. In that case, the name will be Ubuntu. If I use Windows, the name will be administrator. If I use Red Hat, the name will be different as well, most likely EC2-user. But for now, I want you to know that the name of the user depends on the AMI that you use. All right. So with that command, I'm just going to press enter. And it's asking me, do you really want to connect? And I say yes. And there you go. I'm back into my server. See, it's saying EC2-user at the IP address that I used. I can do clear, and I can create a file here. There's a Linux command called touch. I can say touch file1, and I do ls, I see file1. Now if I go back here and I type ls, I see file1. So I have been able to connect to this EC2 instance from my laptop, from my Mac laptop using SSH client. Easy peasy. If I were using Linux, the steps would be the same. The way you connect to an instance from a Mac laptop or a Linux laptop are the same. But if you're using Windows, PuTTY is the best utility you can use. So in the next video, I'm going to use a Windows server and show you how to connect to an EC2 instance from a Windows laptop. So I'll see you in the next video.